Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will study about the switch statements, like how we use the switch statement, why we use the switch statement, and we will work with examples also. Okay, a switch statement is a multiple branch statement, okay, that executes one statement from multiple conditions. Okay, this is how switch statement works. It's a multi-branch. We are using switch statement and decision making statement like if else, and these statements. Okay, let us see how it works. Let me declare a variable integer age is equal to 20. Okay, switch what, check the age variable. Okay, case 20, if the age was 20, okay, if the age was 20, then display this message: you are not eligible for the post. Then break. Okay, it means break the statement. If in switch we use case, if it's 30, double colon, system dot out dot print, do print what, you are eligible for the post. Okay, then break the statement, it means end the checking. If the value sorry, if the value was not 20 neither 30, so what will be displayed? We use the default keyword. The default message should be what, system dot out dot print what, print this message: unknown age for the post. Then break the process and run your program. Okay, run and check. The age is 20. You are not eligible for the post. If we see if it is 30, okay, then run. Okay, you are eligible for the post. If it's not 30 or 20, suppose it's 60, run the program, see, unknown age for the post. This is how switch statement works. Okay, let's check the age, every condition, and then process accordingly.